Heartily welcome to all to the new YouTube channel GKAG. Question number 1. Which Indian state has the most cattle? Answer West Bengal. Where is India's first private sector airport? Answer Durgapur, West Bengal. Plant cell wall is made up of? Answer cellulose. Question number 4. Haiku is the language of which country? Answer Japan. Next, which blood group has no antibodies? Answer AB group. Next question, which blood group has no antigen? Answer O group. Question number 7. Which blood group known as universal recipient? Answer AB positive. Which blood group is known as universal donor? Answer O group. Question number 9. Which element is found on the surface of the moon? Answer titanium. Question number 10. What is the study of nature of the universe is called? Answer cosmology. Question number 11. Which is the largest moon of Saturn? Answer Titan. Next. What element has 3 oxygen atoms? Answer ozone. Question number 13. Who is the chairman of Rajya Sabha? Answer Vice President. Which substance that give color to the skin? Answer melanin. Question number 15. Which element has the highest atomic weight? Answer oganesson. Next, which fat is produced by the liver? Answer cholesterol. Next, which acid produced in the stomach? Answer hydrochloric acid. Which enzyme present in saliva? Answer ptyalin. Next, which is known as quicksilver? Answer mercury. Question number 20. Which vitamins produced in the body? Answer vitamin D. Question number 21. Which is the liquid part of the blood is called? Answer plasma. Move to next question. Which is the ice covered continent? Answer Antarctica. Question number 23. Which is the deficiency disease of vitamin B? Answer beriberi. Which disease caused by deficiency of vitamin D? Answer rickets. Question number 25. Which enzyme present in the tears? Answer lysozyme. If you like my videos, please subscribe, share and also enable bell icon. See you soon.